How to fix add post to your story missing and not showing up problem on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. And in today's video, I will be teaching you how to fix add post to your story missing and not showing up problem on Instagram. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Instagram app is up to date. So if not, then please go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and then search for Instagram. Once you have searched for Instagram, make sure to click on that update button whenever it is available. So updating your Instagram app is important because there might be a bug with the app, and so updating it will fix those bugs. And then you may open your Instagram app and trying the add post to your story once again. And if it still doesn't appear, then what I would recommend you is to offload the app of on your phone. So to do that, go to settings and then go to general, go to iPhone storage and look for Instagram. So once you have seen Instagram, click on it and then click on offload app right here. So once you click on offload app, it will then offload your app and not your data. So your data will still remain on your phone. What you're going to do then is to reinstall the app once you have offloaded it. So again, just like updating your Instagram app, it will fix those bugs or issues that you have on your Instagram. And again, try it out or try the add post to your story. And again, if it still doesn't work, then um, the post that you are going to share is probably restricted. So what I mean by that is that the user, for example, have restricted the adding post to someone's story. So another way that I can suggest is to take a screenshot of that post. For example, this one. So you should take a screenshot and then post it on your story afterwards. So that's it. That's how you can fix add post to your story missing and not showing up problem on Instagram.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.